Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart's app. You click here on settings and you will enter. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here, you will search about Walmart and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you'll turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.